In this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Tesla stock, ticker symbol TSLA in Canada using Wealthsimple. So once you're into the Wealthsimple app, make sure to go into your trading account. Then once you're here, go to the bottom left here, press on the magnifying glass. Now, what you can do is actually go to the top here, this discover bar, and just type in simply TSLA, ticker symbol TSLA, or you can search up Tesla. It doesn't really matter, the exact same thing. So I'll just search up Tesla right here. And then the first option here is Tesla, TSLA, on the NASDAQ. This is what we want, so press on this right here. And as you can tell, at the time I'm recording this video, it is actually priced at $282.48 USD, but all you got to do now is just press buy. Now you can buy stocks or options. We're just going to go ahead and press stocks for simplicity's sake. Now to buy it, if you want to buy a fractional buy, so this means that you don't quite want to invest the full amount of one share. So if you wanted to invest, $5, for example, you can press on $5. This will be $5 USD, and then press on continue because of course you are buying it in USD. So if you want to confirm order, you can confirm order right there. But if you want to buy it from a fractional buy to a market buy, you can press on market buy or you can press on limit buy. But pretty much that is how you guys can buy Tesla stock TSLA in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.